ready to inject some fun and artistic flair into your photos. Let's turn your regular pictures into awesome cartoons with Canva. First things first, head over to Canva and start a new design. I usually go with a social media post size, but you can choose whatever suits your project. Now, let's upload the photo you want to transform. Simply drag and drop your image onto the canvas. Once your photo is in, select it so you see the editing options appear at the top. Click on the Edit Photo button. This will open up the editing sidebar. We're looking for effects. Within effects, you'll find a whole range of filters for that cartoon look. We'll focus on these styles. Let's try this one first. Notice how it starts to simplify the image and add definition, giving it that characteristic cartoon feel. You can often adjust the intensity of these filters to get the exact look you want. Don't be afraid to play around. There are several filters that work well. This next one here adds a bit more color, vibrancy, and a painterly quality, which can also create a fantastic cartoon effect. And this one really pushes the outline effect, making your subject pop like a comic book character. Once you've applied your primary cartoon filter, you can sometimes enhance it further using other effects. For instance, Adjust can let you fine-tune brightness and contrast, while Dual Tone can create interesting color palettes. Boosting the contrast here helps to really solidify that graphic novel style. And there you have it, a simple photo transformed into a fun, cartoon-style illustration right within Canva. Experiment with different photos and different filter combinations to discover your favorite cartoon looks.